Do you feel tired all the time, like you could sleep for a week and still wake up exhausted? Well, before you invest in that extra large coffee, it might be time to check in on your vitamin D levels. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, plays a much bigger role in our health than many people realize. From strong bones to a strong immune system, it's a key player in keeping our bodies functioning at their best. Yet, so many of us are walking around with a deficiency, and we don't even know it. The tricky thing about vitamin D deficiency is that the symptoms can be subtle and easily brushed off. We might blame the constant fatigue on a busy schedule or the nagging muscle aches on a tough workout. But what if these seemingly small signs are our body's way of sending up a red flag? That's why it's so important to be aware of the signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Recognizing these symptoms early on can make a world of difference. It allows us to take action, make the necessary lifestyle changes, or seek professional guidance to get our levels back on track. So, stick around as we explore the ins and outs of vitamin D deficiency and empower you to take control of your health. Let's talk about fatigue, and I'm not talking about that I need a nap after a long day kind of tired. I mean that bone-deep exhaustion that follows you around like a shadow, even after a good night's sleep. If this sounds familiar, you might be surprised to learn that vitamin D could be the culprit. You see, vitamin D plays a crucial role in energy production within our cells. When our levels are low, our cells can't efficiently convert food into energy, leaving us feeling constantly drained. Now, before you run to the nearest coffee shop, let's talk about how to tackle this from the root. First and foremost, get some sunshine. Sunlight is the most natural and effective way for our bodies to produce vitamin D. Even 20 minutes of midday sun exposure a few times a week can make a noticeable difference. Of course, we can't always rely on the weather for our vitamin D fix, can we? That's where diet comes in. Incorporating vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods like milk or cereal can give your levels a much-needed boost. But remember, persistent fatigue can sometimes be a sign of other underlying conditions. So, if you're experiencing chronic tiredness despite making lifestyle changes, it's crucial to consult your doctor to rule out any other potential causes. Ever feel like your muscles are always sore, even without a strenuous workout? Or maybe you find yourself struggling to climb a flight of stairs when you used to breeze through it? Weakness and pain in our muscles and joints can be incredibly frustrating, and often, vitamin D deficiency is hiding in plain sight. Vitamin D plays a vital role in muscle function and strength. It helps our muscles absorb calcium, which is essential for muscle contraction and overall strength. When our vitamin D levels are low, our muscles are essentially starved of the nutrients they need to function properly. This deficiency can manifest as muscle weakness, pain, cramps, and even spasms. You might notice it's harder to lift heavy objects. You tire easily during physical activity, or you just feel generally weaker than usual. The good news is that addressing vitamin D deficiency can significantly improve muscle function and reduce discomfort. In addition to increasing your sun exposure and consuming vitamin D-rich foods, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can be incredibly beneficial. Exercise helps improve blood flow, strengthens muscles, and enhances vitamin D absorption. Even moderate physical activity like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling can make a difference. And remember, staying hydrated is crucial for muscle function, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. We all know that calcium is crucial for strong bones, but did you know that vitamin D plays an equally important role in bone health? In fact, without sufficient vitamin D, our bodies can't effectively absorb calcium, making it difficult to build and maintain strong, healthy bones. Vitamin D acts like a key, unlocking the door for calcium to enter our bones. When our vitamin D levels are low, our bodies are unable to absorb calcium efficiently, leading to a condition called hypocalcemia. This lack of calcium weakens our bones, making them more susceptible to fractures and increasing the risk of osteoporosis, a condition that makes bones weak and brittle. But here's the good news. We can take charge of our bone health by ensuring we're getting enough vitamin D. In addition to sunlight and diet, your doctor might recommend a vitamin D supplement to help you reach optimal levels, especially if you're at risk of deficiency. And don't forget about weight-bearing exercises. Activities like walking, jogging, and dancing help stimulate bone growth and improve bone density. Remember, strong bones equal a strong foundation for an active and healthy life. Do you find yourself reaching for the tissues and cough drops more often than you'd like? It's no secret that a strong immune system is our best defense against infections, but did you know that vitamin D plays a crucial role in supporting our body's natural defenses? Vitamin D acts like a powerful ally for our immune system, helping it fight off harmful bacteria and viruses that can make us sick. It does this by supporting the production of antimicrobial peptides, which are like little warriors that neutralize pathogens, preventing them from causing infections. When our vitamin D levels are low, our immune system is essentially working with a weakened army, making us more susceptible to colds, flu, and other infections. The good news is that we can give our immune system a fighting chance by ensuring we're getting enough vitamin D. Along with sunlight, diet, and potential supplementation, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key. This includes getting enough sleep, managing stress levels, staying hydrated, and nourishing our bodies with nutrient-rich foods. Remember, a healthy body is better equipped to fight off infections and keep us feeling our best. When we think about mental health, we often focus on things like stress management, therapy, and medication. But did you know that vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, also plays a significant role in our mood and mental well-being? Believe it or not, vitamin D receptors are found throughout the brain, including regions involved in mood regulation, motivation, and even our sleep-wake cycle. Studies have shown a link between vitamin D deficiency and an increased risk of mood disorders like depression and anxiety. While the exact mechanisms are still being studied, it's believed that vitamin D influences the production and regulation of certain neurotransmitters in the brain, including serotonin and dopamine, which play a crucial role in mood, motivation, and feelings of happiness. If you're struggling with low mood, fatigue, or other symptoms of depression, it's essential to speak with a healthcare professional to get a proper diagnosis and discuss treatment options. In addition to professional support, ensuring adequate vitamin D levels through sunlight exposure, diet, and potential supplementation can be beneficial in supporting overall mental well-being. Have you ever noticed that a cut or scrape seems to be taking forever to heal? While several factors can influence wound healing, vitamin D plays a surprisingly important role in this complex process. Vitamin D is essential for our skin's health and its ability to repair itself after injury. It helps regulate the production of collagen, a protein that forms the building blocks of our skin and is crucial for wound healing. When our vitamin D levels are low, collagen production can be impaired, leading to slower wound healing, an increased risk of infection, and even more prominent scarring. In addition to its role in collagen synthesis, vitamin D also helps reduce inflammation, which is a natural part of the healing process but can become problematic if it's excessive or prolonged. By keeping inflammation in check, vitamin D helps create an optimal environment for our skin to repair itself effectively. So next time you're dealing with a cut, burn, or any other type of wound, make sure you're not overlooking the importance of vitamin D. Hair loss can be a distressing experience, affecting both men and women for various reasons. While genetics, age, and hormonal changes play significant roles, did you know that a vitamin D deficiency could be a contributing factor to hair loss? Vitamin D is crucial for healthy hair growth as it stimulates hair follicles, the tiny sacs from which each strand of hair grows. When vitamin D levels are insufficient, these hair follicles can shrink, weaken, and struggle to produce new hair, leading to hair thinning or even hair loss. In some cases, severe vitamin D deficiency has been linked to alopecia areata, an autoimmune disorder that causes patchy hair loss. While more research is needed to fully understand the link between vitamin D and alopecia, ensuring adequate vitamin D levels is crucial for maintaining healthy hair growth. If you're experiencing significant hair loss, it's essential to consult with a dermatologist or a trichologist, a specialist in hair and scalp health. They can help determine the underlying cause of your hair loss and recommend appropriate treatment options. Feeling empowered to take control of your vitamin D levels? Remember, even if you relate to some of the symptoms we've discussed, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider. They can assess your individual needs, order a simple blood test to check your vitamin D levels, and recommend the best course of action, whether it's lifestyle changes, supplements, or both. I hope this information has been helpful in shedding light on the often overlooked topic of vitamin D deficiency. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future health tips. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to our health. Stay informed, stay proactive, and stay tuned for more informative content to help you live your healthiest life.